Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a powerful recipe that supports your overall health and is also beneficial in our HPV healing series. It's a beetroot, carrot, kiwi and lemon combo, a colorful blend that nourishes your blood, skin and immune system. Beetroot is rich in iron, folate and natural nitrates. It helps improve blood circulation, support liver detox and boost stamina, perfect for rebuilding strength and energy. Carrot is your vision and skin protector, loaded with beta-carotene and antioxidants that repair tissue, support your immune system, and slow down premature aging. Kiwi is a vitamin C powerhouse that strengthens immunity, boosts collagen, and keeps your skin radiant. Its natural enzymes also aid digestion and improve nutrient absorption. Lemon acts as a cleanser and alkalizer, helping flush out toxins and balance your body's pH, both crucial for HPV healing. Its tangy taste also gives this combo a refreshing kick. Together, this blend helps detoxify the body, improve circulation, boost energy, and revitalize your skin from within. Here's the recipe: 2 medium beetroots, 2 large carrots, 2 kiwis peeled, half a lemon, or more if you love that tangy flavor like me. Cut everything, mix and eat fresh, or juice for a refreshing drink. Best taken in the morning on an empty stomach for maximum effect. As always, consult with your healthcare professional before starting a new diet. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healing recipes. See you on the next one.